Students, this is class number 18. Look at that simple question on the board. Taking n set of naturals as universal set, write down the complements. It's so easy, students. Writing complements of these sets is so easy. Just keep on adding not. If I add not, you will get the complement of that, right? So n, universal set is n. So tell me naturals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This is a universal set. Let us say first one, set A. So x is an even natural number. So even natural number. So tell me even natural numbers. So 2, 4, 6, so on. So what is the complement of A? So this implies A dash equals, so right, except these elements. So except these elements means, so I will get odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, so on. So what are set A equals x such that x is even natural. X is even natural number. So complement of this A dash is x such that x is not even natural number. Not even natural number ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ odd natural number. Not even natural number means it should be odd natural number. X is odd natural number. X is odd natural numbers, or even you could write x is not even natural number. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ A equals x such that x is a odd natural number. Natural number set A. So tell me complement of this A dash. X is not odd natural number, bardru correct. Or you write, so A dash equals, so what is the complement of odd natural number? Even natural number. X such that x is even natural number. So even natural number, or you write in numbers, you can write your answer in any form. So either set builder form or listing form, that is roster form. Roster means listing, set builder or rule. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೂ ಬರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ A x such that x is positive multiple of 3. Simple way of writing, that is without crushing our mind and go for writing darkly. So that implies A dash complement x such that x belongs to n. X is a natural number and x is not positive. Not says it becomes not a complement. X is not positive multiple of 3. x is not a positive multiple of 3. Enough. Tell me multiples of 3, students. So tell me elements of set A. 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Positive multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So on. So right. X is not positive multiple of 3. And then even bit n varku adu, right? There should be natural numbers u because elements of u. A dash means elements of u which are not there in A. Elements of u not there in A. So right. Okay. So let us go for solving fourth question. Now let us solve that fourth question. Fourth question, set A x such that x is a prime number. Complement, just it is enough if you write not a prime number but a saku. So that implies, so A dash x such that x is not a prime number, x belongs to n. So complement elements should be the elements of universal set. Complement x belongs to n. Complementary ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ universal set and x belongs to n. X is not a prime number. ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ or a dash such that x belongs to n. X belongs to n, comma x is composite number. And x should not be equal to 1. Not primes means composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So remember this point. Note 0 and 1 are neither primes. So nor composite numbers. So 0 and 1 are neither primes nor composite numbers. So look at the second answer. X is a natural number and x is a composite number. Composite number starts from 3. 1 is not a composite number. 2 is prime number. 2 prime number. So 2 prime number. 3 prime number. 5 prime number. Composite number starts from 4. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 prime, 3 prime, 5 prime, 4 composite, 6 composite. That's why x is not equal to 1 because 1 is not a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor a composite. A dash x says that x belongs to n. X is composite number and x should not be equal to 1. You write your answer in any form, so you will get marks. Let us go for solving one more, fifth question. So you remember this point. Note 0 and 1 are neither primes nor composite numbers. So right. Let's go for solving one more question. So next question is x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Just you add not divisible by. So question number 5. A x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So write complement. That implies complement of a dash x such that x belongs to n. Complement elements always belongs to universal set. Complement elements ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳಿ universal set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅವು ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. So right. So and x is not divisible by and x is not divisible by 3 and 5. X is natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So complement is not divisible by x belongs to n and so and x is not so divisible by 3 and 5. So this is a complement. This is complement. So we cannot write this in listing form. So that rule form, that listing form is not possible. It seems you try that. If you get it, you send it to me. I will check that. Okay. So let us go for solving some more questions of the same type. So right. Students, let us continue solving some more questions on that same method. Finding complements. You take this A. So right. Let A. You take set A, set B, set C, whatever you wish. You represent the given sets by any symbol, any capital letters. To represent sets, you should have to use capital letters only. Set A, x is a perfect square. X is a perfect square. Tell me perfect square, students. 4 can be written as 2 square. Perfect square. Root 4 is 2. Next to 5, 6, 7. No, they are not perfect squares. Next to 9, 4, 9, 16, so on. They are all perfect squares. Perfect squares. X is, direct answer is, x is not a perfect square. So right. So A dash. Set of all x such that x belongs to n, comma or and. You write comma and x is not a perfect square. Why this x belongs to n means complement elements always belongs to universal set. Which is universal set? Set of naturals. In this case, universal set is set of naturals. X is not a perfect square. That's all, students. Need not to crush your brains. So next, perfect cube. So right, let A. You take set A or set B, C, whatever you wish. So right, B dash C, B tavana B. So B, x such that x is perfect cube. Perfect cube. So tell me perfect cubes, students. 2 cube, 1 cube, 1 is perfect cube. 2 cube, 8, 8 is perfect cube. 3 cube, 3 cube, 27, 27 is perfect cube. 4 cube, 64, 64 is perfect cube, like that. So tell me its complement. So that implies B dash. Set of all x such that x belongs to n. X should be natural number and x is not a perfect cube. So x is not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. It is so easy to write. Let's move on to one more question. So this one, C. So write. I represent this by set C. So tell me the one and only one element. So write in x plus 5, 3. The only one element of this set is x plus 3 plus 5, 8. The only number which satisfies this is 3. So write, are you right? C is equal to x such that x plus 5 equals 8. 8. Write its complement. Write its complement. So write C dash. C dash. You can write. So write. So set of all x such that x belongs to n and x plus 5 not equal to 8. Complement. Not set as R2. So OR C dash set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is not equal to 3. 3. C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ 3. This is the only one element that C contains. This is the only one element that C contains. So and x is not equal to 3. All naturals except 3. You write your answer in any way. Overall, C dash. Yavadararu bariri. Overall. Let us go for solving one more question. Let us move on to solving one more question. So next question is question number 9. So 9. So let D equals x such that 2x plus 5 equals 9. So directly writing. So complement of D dash x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 5 is not equal to 9. Not equal to 9. So OR. So tell me elements of D. So D elements of D 4, 2, x 2. This is the only natural number which satisfies this equation. 2 to the 4 plus 5, 9. So this implies so D dash OR set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is not equal to 2. X except 2. All natural numbers can be found in D dash. All natural numbers can be found in D dash. This is how we write. Next, last one. Sorry, question number 10. So 10. So x is E. You take that as E. X such that x is greater than or equal to 7. So direct answer. So this implies so E dash. Set of all x such that x is not greater than or equal to 7. Not greater than or equal to 7 means less than 7. Not greater than or equal to 7 means less than 7. So directly write x belongs to n, comma x is not greater than or equal to 7. If I cross that, it is nothing but not greater than or equal to. So not greater than or equal to. Not greater than or equal to means less than. So OR. So E dash. Set of all x such that x belongs to n, comma x is less than 7. Not greater than or equal to 7 means less than 7. This is the complement. Let us go for solving one more last question. So last question is So write this is D, E, F. You take this as F. X such that X belongs to N and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So easy. So this implies F dash X such that X belongs to N and so 2x plus 1 not greater than 10. Not greater than 10 means less than or equal to. Not greater than 10 means what? Less than or equal to or R. So F dash equals set of all x such that x belongs to N and so 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 10. Not greater than means less than or equal to 10. I hope you understood how to find complements. So let's move on to one more question, students. So right.